Hey, I really hope this helps you. If it does, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this content, because let's just take care of all this nasty stuff and let's just get it out of our dishwasher so we can have some nice clean dishes. You know what I'm saying? So if you like it, subscribe for more great content. Thank you. This is what I'm doing to fix my dishwasher. Got some problems. It's not cleaning right. So I actually stuck one of those, scrubby Brillo pads in the dishwasher just to try to get it clean. I think it was copper, but yeah, don't ever do that. It's a really bad idea. So you can see what I've already gotten out of the of the dishwasher little sprayer, and I got 3 in mine, so I'm gonna have to take it all apart and clean it all out. But I'm gonna show you a little trick. Might help you, might not help nobody. I just want to put it out there. You know what I'm saying? So here I'm just running some water, and I'm actually going to use, believe it or not, I found a nail that was like the exact size that I needed to put into these little holes. So if it works for you, great. If it doesn't work for you, find something else, maybe like a little tiny screwdriver or some kind of little tiny brush. I don't know if you can find a brush that small, but you should be able to put the nail in the little heads here. So all I'm gonna do is rinse this out here, put the water down through the main, and then you can look here, you can see like these two, they're stopped up. So all I'm gonna do is do that right there. See, it's unstopped, but all that's doing is pushing it back up, but it'll loosen it enough to where maybe it'll come out of this bottom one here. Let's just give that a try. Let's see what happens. Run straight hot water. Let's just take it from there. Yep, see, we already got some of it out. And getting some, it's all packed in that bottom right there. Just keep kind of working it. Just use some really hot water, get it nice and full, and then just kind of see, I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, there's definitely some stuff in there. Right there at the bottom, you can, I don't know, you can't see that, but it's packed up in there. Oh, yep, see that come out? Yep, there it goes. So just kind of keep doing this. See, now it's clean and clear and under control. Yeah, that's not my slogan. Sorry, I don't own that. But it's clear. So now let's just do the other side. You see, that's pretty good. But I'm just gonna keep doing this for like maybe the next 10 or 15 minutes just to kind of get all the stuff cleaning out, because there's jets on both sides. So you can see that one right there, it's still packed up, but it's packed up right in this one right here. So you can see it's just barely dripping. So we'll do it for the next few minutes. Hope this works for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like it. And check out my other stuff. I helped a lot of people fix their dishwashers when they weren't heating. And I'm going to continue to try to help people, because that's just what I really enjoy. So if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. God bless. So one thing that I want to mention is that the reason I'm cleaning this out is because my dishes were dirty. They was just not getting clean at all. Like, it didn't matter how many times I ran the dishwasher, the same stuff like 3 times, and it still just had this like murky stuff on it, like just little pieces of food. And so this has happened to me once before, but I was stupid and ran some mashed potatoes through the dishwasher, which I was like, oh, it'll be fine. But it wasn't fine. It was really bad. And so I ended up having to do the same thing. So it took me forever, but I didn't realize it. It took me a while to realize this is what the problem was. And look at all the stuff that I've already cleaned out. So just take this and just kind of use it. What I've been doing is just kind of, you know, after I originally got all the stuff out, just, you know, started just kind of hitting it and running some just really hot water, and it's just kind of knocking all that, see that stuff coming out? It's just knocking all that stuff right out of this. So just do this for a while. Been doing it for maybe like 10 minutes and still getting some more stuff out. So my guess is it's just absolutely just packed up in there. You can see it's still right there, just all up in this thing, man, and that's terrible. So I'm going to keep doing this, and hopefully when it's all done, I'll have all these little bits and pieces out, and I'll have a clean wand that will clean my dishes, because that's exactly what I need right now. I need some clean dishes because they're piling up like crazy, and we got to get this thing fixed. So let me walk through this with you. Hope this helps, but see y'all in a minute. Alright, so here we are. We've cleaned up our dishwasher wand. You can see I have got all this stuff out of my bathtub, but it's clean now. I had to take a nail, finish up, get some of these little tiny pieces out, these little holes, but I'll show you when we fill this up again, and then I'll show you just how fast it drains out, and it drains out good. So let's do that one more time. Drains out, and it drains out good, clear. Let me do the other side. So that was definitely what the problem was. And I was getting so much stuff on my dishes, just wasn't getting clean. And that's why I had all of my sprayers were clogged up with just gunk and stuff, and part of a Brillo pad that I had stuck in there. Don't ever do that. And this got it clean. So all you gotta do, take this thing off. For this one is just, once it's on there, you just pop it loose one way, spin it, and it comes right off. And so anyway, that's all there is to it. Just follow those easy steps, just like I did. It takes you a few minutes. It took me about 15-20 minutes to get all the stuff out, but it beats having to buy a new wand. But if you'd rather buy a new wand, I'll put you a link out there. I'll put it in the description box if you think that would be beneficial. That would help you all out. But anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day, and I really hope this fixed your problem. Thanks. Please subscribe to my channel.